Kapatid,
Eh? 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 Eh?
bring me Bible verse. Ah,
John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in him should not perish but have an everlasting life. Ano? Iba pa, pero meron pa kaso na wala sa utak ko.
John 3:16. For God so loved the world. Ay, pag Lamentation chapter 3 verse 22. It is of the Lord mercies that we are not consumed, but his compassion has failed not. Lamentation chapter 3 verse 22.
galing. Pasalamatan niyo po yung yung nag-aalaga sa inyo ng Palestine.
I would like to thank my mother na nasa abroad. Maingat ka lagi, ma. Love you, ma.
Anong gusto mong ipagpasalamat kay Lord?
Yung biyaya na binibigay po niya sa atin araw-araw, pinapasalamatan ko po yung kay Lord. Walang labis, walang kulang. Nagpapasalamat ako araw-araw.